Welcome to the second lesson in this 5-video lesson series where we talk about paid speaking events. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to boost your business brand and sales with speaking events. If you're a consultant, a coach, a trainer, or an author, or whatever profession you might have, speaking events will boost your brand and sales almost effortlessly. There are many reasons why this happens, but one is how you are perceived as more of an expert if you can get up in front of people and talk about your profession. Meet more future clients. When you go to any type of event, you'll be able to meet more future clients in person, but when you speak, they'll be waiting to meet you and be excited when you speak to them. As one of the so-called VIPs of the event, since you're a speaker, your attention will mean even more to the attendees than if you were another attendee. Enables you to sell your materials. When you join an event and agree to speak, usually you're allowed to promote your offering during your speech, as well as set up a table outside of the speaking venue to encourage more sales. If you have a book, you'll be able to sell a lot more signed copies than if you did not go to the event. Some speaking events pay. You can boost your income simply by taking paid speaking events. Paid events can be quite lucrative and often include travel, hotel accommodation, and food, plus money for speaking. This can lead to thousands in additional revenue each year. Improve your networking. The more events you can attend, the more you'll be able to network in person with people. It is a wonderful way to meet people. Even with online events, there is typically a chat room available. If you attend other people's speeches, it's nice to chat with the attendees between events. Paid speaking events enable you to get sponsors. When you do public speaking, you can get sponsors to help support your tour if you decide to do one. Contact the brands that you want to represent and ask them if you have experience as a speaker to show them. That will work better. However, often if you get on their radar due to your success, they're going to ask you. You can even do it from home. Today, due to various online webinar software and social media platforms, you can perform public speaking events right from home if you want to. This is a great way to boost your brand and get more business. Increase subscribers to your mailing list. When you do public speaking events, there will be some people who will reach out to you automatically, but if you incentivize them by offering them a special offer that only they get, you'll build your list even faster. Nerves versus expertise. The fact is, a lot of people are terrified about speaking in public, but think of it like writing a book in terms of boosting how people perceive you. If you're up there speaking, you must be an expert. Speaking will also provide some personal benefits that you may not have considered previously. For example, a job well done will boost your own confidence in yourself. You'll feel more assured and feel more satisfied with your abilities to think on your feet and get things done.